Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Insert channel name. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified of my latest videos. Today, we are diving into the world of vegan protein powders with a special focus on KOS Vegan Protein Powder with erythritol. Let's get started. So, what makes KOS Vegan Protein Powder so special? First of all, KOS is known for their commitment to high-quality, plant-based ingredients. This particular protein powder is not only vegan but also includes erythritol as a sweetener. Let's break down the benefits. KOS Vegan Protein Powder is made from a blend of organic pea, flaxseed, quinoa, pumpkin seed, and chia seed proteins. This combination provides a complete amino acid profile, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Perfect for post-workout recovery or as a meal replacement. Erythritol is a natural sugar alcohol that's derived from fruits and fermented foods. It has a sweet taste similar to sugar but with almost no calories. It's also low on the glycemic index, making it a great option for those watching their sugar intake. This protein powder also includes a mix of digestive enzymes to help your body break down and absorb nutrients more effectively. Plus, it's gentle on the stomach, so you can enjoy it without any discomfort. KOS Vegan Protein Powder comes in a variety of delicious flavors. Whether you prefer chocolate, vanilla, or something fruity, there's a flavor for everyone. It's also incredibly versatile. You can mix it with water, almond milk, or add it to your favorite smoothie recipes. You can even use it in baking. KOS takes pride in using clean, organic ingredients. This protein powder is free from artificial sweeteners, colors, and preservatives. It's also non-GMO and gluten-free, making it a healthy choice for just about anyone. Now, let's do a quick taste test. I've mixed 1 scoop of KOS Vegan Protein Powder with almond milk and a banana. Takes a sip. Wow, this is really good. It's smooth, not chalky, and the flavor is just right. Not too sweet, but definitely satisfying. To sum it up, KOS Vegan Protein Powder with erythritol is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, plant-based protein source. It's nutritious, delicious, and easy on the stomach. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to get your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.